Good morning, everybody. First things first, everybody, let's say happy birthday, puppy. All right, happy birthday. Hopefully you have a very good birthday on this Friday. That being said, let's start with homework. So today we are learning about environments again. Who remembers the name of this animal? Sam, do you remember?
What?
Do you remember the name of this animal?
Yes.
What is
Chicken
it?
fox.
Good, the Arctic fox. Nice work. All right, let's share our animal drawings and their living and non-living things. So I got homework from Susu, Rosie, George, Sino, Milk, Sam, and also I saw Blue Moon held his homework up. Did anyone else do their homework? Moon, you did your homework? And Puppy did her homework. Make sure you have your class name in it. What's your class name? Did you do your homework? It says Chanchi.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, very good. Make sure you change your name, okay, to what it normally is in class. All right, let's have a couple people share. Let's share our homework. Susu, do you want to start? Could you tell us your animal, its environment, and the living and non-living things? Go ahead, Susu. Tell us your animal, its environment, and the living and non-living things.
I got a fox in the forest. I got the fish and frogs and cheese and fruit.
Very good. This looks very, very nice, Susu. You even said the fox eats fruits and small animals. I think the frogs might only eat the animals. I'm not sure if they eat fruit, but that's very good. It lives in a log. You remember that from class. Very good job, Susu. Let's take a look at the next one, Rosie. Rosie, could you share with us some of the things you drew?
The lion eats another animal.
Yes, very good. The lion eats other animals. What are some of the other animals in your picture?
The bird eats the caterpillar.
Very good. And what are some of the non-living things in your picture? What's not alive?
The rock.
Anything else that's not alive in your picture? I see some things in the sky. What's in the sky?
The sun and the cloud and the rainbow.
Yeah, those aren't alive, right? Those are some non-living thing in the lion habitat. Very good job, Rosie. This is a wonderful drawing. You've labeled the nest, the fur, the rocks, leaves, tree. This is amazing. I'm very, very impressed with your homework. Looks like George drew a monkey. George, what's something that's not alive in the monkey's habitat?
A banana. A banana.
Say it again.
A banana.
A banana. Very good. The banana is living when it's growing. It's a living thing. It's a plant, right? Here's Sino's. Sino listed out the living and non-living things. Sino, what are the non-living things in your environment?
Water, air.
Very good. And what animal did you draw?
Cow.
A cow. What environment does the cow go in?
Grassland.
Very good. Grassland or maybe a prairie. Milk. Milk and Sam both made videos. Excellent job, Milk and Sam, on your videos. I don't have time to show the video, but Milk, could you tell us a little bit? Milk, could you tell us a little bit about what you drew?
Yes.
Thank you. Go ahead.
I drew a boat and a driving a boat and a squid.
Wow, that's a giant squid. That's very good. Very good.
Has a little squid too.
What are some of the living things?
A living thing, a squid.
Very good. I see something else too. What's the other animals you drew?
A shark, a eel, a crab, a little fish.
Very good. What habitat is this? Which environment is this? Is it a lake? Is it a forest?
It is a ocean.
Very good. And I see you have the boat and the sun and the water labeled. Those are all non-living things. The rock. This is very, very good, Milk. I'm very impressed. Good job on your homework. Sam, what did you draw?
A lion. Grass help lion hide. Lion need to hide when they see danger or when they hunt. Food helps them live. If they don't have food, it are too hungry and it can be die. Tree help it cool. If sun shine too many, it go to a tree. Tree has shadow, so the sun cannot go through the shadow, so it can cool down. Sun help it warm up.
Excellent job. This is really good, Sam.
If the lion are too cold, it go to the sun to warm up.
Very good.
Here's a baby zebra, and here's a bite of the lion, and here's some blood.
Wow. Yeah, you're right.
I draw is a grassland. The grassland.
Very good. Excellent work, Sam. He wrote the grassland habitat. You have some living things in its environment and everything it needs. It needs the trees to stay cold. It needs the grass to hide, the sun to warm up. Sam, could your animal live in the desert?
No.
Why not?
Because it don't have many sun like the grassland. So it cannot live when it is cold.
Yeah, very good. Okay, let's see. We have Blue Moon, Puppy, and Moon. We only have time to show 2, so raise your hand if you want to share your homework. I see, Zook, did you do your homework?
But Miss Miranda, I draw it already. But can you help me do it?
Yes, you said you need some help?
Yes.
Okay, well, you saw your classmates' homework, right? Can I see what you have so far?
Yes.
Let me see. Oh, very nice. The ocean with the jellyfish. So living and non-living. Living would be the plants and the animals. Do you know any plants or animals that live in the ocean?
I know anglerfish.
Yeah, very good. So that could be a living thing. in the jellyfish environment? Maybe a shark or some coral?
Okay.
And what non-living things? What's not alive in the jellyfish environment?
What can you for me write living thing first?
Say it again.
What can you for me write living thing first?
Yeah, why don't you fix it? Why don't you finish it tonight and then you can show the class on Monday?
Okay.
Okay, so we have time for one person to share. How about, let's see, let's have a Blue Moon. Do you want to share yours?
It is clownfish.
Clownfish. Ooh.
It is squid.
Squid. Very nice.
It is starfish.
Ooh, very good.
It is the jellyfish.
Mm-hmm.
The angelfish.
Angelfish. Very nice. Do you have any non-living things in your environment?
Rock.
Rock. Very nice. I like the drawing.
Water.
Oh, the water. Excellent.
And sand.
Sand. Very good. Excellent job, Blue Moon. I like your puffer fish. Your puffer fish is really cute. All right. Puppy, could you just hold yours up for us to see really quick? Oh, very nice. What animal did you draw, Puppy?
I draw a bear.
A bear. What habitat does the bear live in?
Rainforest.
The rainforest? I don't know if the bear's in the rainforest. Do you have another idea? The bears need to be a little colder and a little more dry. The rainforest has too much rain. Where? There you go, the regular forest. Great job, Puppy. Okay, that's all we have time for today. But great job on your homework, everybody. I'm very, very happy. Very impressed. You guys did an excellent job. Okay, let's review what we learned last week. Is everybody ready to draw? All right. Everyone remember, only draw one line like this. No scribbling and no drawing shapes. Okay, your classmates want to learn. It's not nice to draw scribbles over what they draw, okay? So just one line. Ready? Everyone draw a line from the picture to the name of the environment. Ready? And go. From the picture to the environment. Nice job, Sino. Good. Banana. Good. Guys, don't go drawing shapes. I've said it before. Don't make me say it again. All right. Let's stop that. Guys, I told you, please do not scribble and draw shapes, okay? All right, so it looks like I think these red lines here were all from one person, but this bottom picture is definitely not the tundra. That's okay. So it looks like these, let me draw the lines where I see them. Oh, I see, those are going up to the rainforest. Okay. Very good job, guys. This first picture is the ocean. The second picture is the tundra. The third picture is the desert. Very good. This one's the rainforest. Excellent. And the bottom one's the prairie. Great job, everybody. Now let's match the animal to its environment. Which environment does the animal live in? Go ahead and draw. Does it live in the desert, the rainforest, the prairie, the tundra? All right, nice work, guys. Let's pause there. We had some scribbling. Let me get rid of that. Okay, so I'll go where I see the lines. So it looks like we have the desert hare going to the desert, the jellyfish to the ocean, the Arctic rabbit to the tundra, the monkey to the rainforest, and the prairie dog to the prairie. Great job, everybody. All right, we'll skip this one actually. I need to know the names of all of these animals. Who can give me the name of this animal in the blue box? How about Ray?
A York. York.
Oh, a yak. That's close, actually. It's not a yak, but it's related to the yak. Do you have another guess, Ray?
A buffalo.
It's also very closely related to the buffalo. Yak, buffalo, and it starts with a B.
Bull. Bull.
Not quite. Let's see. George, can you help? George, do you know the name of this animal?
I forgot the name already.
Puppy?
I don't know.
I'll give you guys this one. This one was hard, and Ray was so close. It's a bison. All right, so this first animal, it's very similar to the buffalo and the yak. It's a bison. Okay, everybody say bison.
Bison.
Good. Okay, what's the next animal? What's the next one? Sino.
Hello, Miss Miranda.
Hello, Sino. Do you know the name of this next animal?
A prairie.
A prairie what? That's okay. Here we are. Everybody say prairie dog.
Prairie dog.
All right, what's the next animal? What's the next animal? Banana?
A snake.
A snake. Very good. It's a boa snake. Great job, Banana. All right, what is this animal down here at the bottom? What is this one? Susu?
A Gila monster.
Not quite. That's okay. Good guess. How about Taylor? What's this animal down here in the bottom?
The desert hare.
Very good. Desert hare. Excellent job, Taylor. All right, what's the one in the middle? What is that reptile called? Who knows what that reptile is called? Pasta?
It's called the Gila monster.
Very good. The Gila monster. Ooh, scary. All right, and the very last one. What's the name of the last animal? What's the name of the last animal? Rio?
Tundra fox.
Tundra fox. Good. It can be tundra or Arctic. Arctic fox. Excellent job, Rio. Okay, guys, everybody say Arctic fox. Very good. And just like Rio said, it lives in the tundra. Nice work, everyone. All right, we're going to have a little competition between girls and boys. Okay? I will call on one girl and one boy. Whoever answers, whoever fills in the blank first wins. Whoever doesn't gets the dead fish. Don't be the dead fish, okay? So let's see who wins, boys or girls. All right, the first question will be Puppy and Ray. Puppy and Ray, ready? The blank is very cold. Plants grow close to the ground and animals have fur to stay warm. Puppy or Ray?
The tundra.
Yes. All right, 1 point to the boys. The tundra. The tundra. Oh, let me change the color. There we go. All right, so 1 dead fish to the girls. 1 dead fish to the girls. Next question will be Zook. And let's have Taylor. Zook and Taylor, ready?
Oh, I don't want to play.
Okay, that's okay. You don't have to play. How about, let's do pasta. Pasta and Taylor, ready? And go. A blank provides all the living and non-living things an animal needs to survive. Taylor or pasta?
Environment.
Yes, good job. Girls, the boys are winning. The girls now have 2 dead fish. The girls have 2 dead fish. Oh no. The answer was environment. Provides all the living and non-living things an animal needs to survive. All right, next question. Oh, you get to see it early. Let's have Sophia and Banana.
I don't play.
Wait, Banana, wait. Let's have Banana and Rosie. Banana and Rosie. Go ahead.
Animal need food, water, and sunlight. Need food and water and air. They
Food,
water,
water,
air,
and
sunlight.
not sunlight. What's the last one? Banana, do you know? Food, water, air,
Shelter.
shelter. All right, I think the boys and the girls win that one because Rosie got the first 3 and then Banana said them and got the last one. So no one gets the dead fish. Okay, next one, let's have Moon and Rio. Moon and Rio, ready?
I don't play. No.
Moon, you don't want to play?
No.
Oh my goodness. How about Cherry? Cherry and Rio.
Don't play.
Yes, you do. Cherry, you're playing. Ready? Go. The blank is very big and full of salt water.
Ocean.
I think I heard Cherry say it first. All right, the girls have 2 dead fish. The boys have 1 dead fish. The ocean is very big and full of salt water. Last one, I think. Let's have Sino and Susu. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Plants need blank, 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 and blank to grow and survive.
They need water, air, sunlight, and shelter.
Not shelter, that's close though, Susu.
Soil.
Soil. Who said that? Was that you, Sino, or Susu?
I.
You did? All right. The boys win. The girls got 3 dead fish and the boys only got 1. Nice job, everybody. Good work. Okay. Today we're learning about terrariums. Terrariums. Everybody say Terrariums.
Terrarium.
Good, terrariums. Here's a picture of 2 terrariums. Cherry, can you say terrarium?
Terrarium.
Very good. Nam, can you say terrarium?
Terrarium.
Very good. And milk.
Milk.
Milk, can you say terrarium?
Terrariums.
One more time. Say terrarium. Go ahead, Milk.
Terrariums.
Good, much better. Nice work, Milk. What would we need to put in this box for this animal to survive? What would we need to put in this box? Milk?
What?
What would we need to put in this box for this animal to survive?
It's a frog.
It is a frog. What does the frog need to survive?
Rainforest.
What does it need in the rainforest?
They can live.
Yeah, a place to live.
And they need fly to eat.
Very good. Okay, so that's 2 things so far. Great work, Milk. So what else do we need to put in this box? Let's see. Rosie, what's something we could put in this box? Rosie, what does the frog need to live?
Air.
Air. So we need to put air in the box. Good job, Rosie. Let's see, Sam, what's something else we need to put in the box for the frog? What do we need to put in this box for the frog to survive?
Put some water and food.
Very good. Water, food. Excellent job, Sam. Let's see. Sophia, can you think of anything else? Sophia.
Hello, Miss Miranda.
Hello. Good morning, Sophia. What else could we put in this box for the frog?
Shelter.
Shelter. What could we put in this box for shelter?
I don't remember
That's okay. That's
very much.
Sophia. Who has an idea? What could this frog use for shelter? George?
The water. No. I don't know.
That's okay. It could use the water. Is there something else? Zook, what could the frog use for shelter?
But Miss Miranda, can you help me do the homework?
Can I say it again?
Can you help me do the homework from yesterday?
Yes, but I'll help you after class, okay?
Okay.
Or your TA will email you, okay?
Now I want to you help me.
Okay. Can you think of something we can put in this box to help the frog live?
A fly.
A fly? Good, or maybe other insects or bugs? What could we put in this box for shelter? What could it use for shelter? How about Taylor?
Yeah.
Or sorry, Puppy?
What?
What could the frog use for shelter?
The leaf.
Leaves? Very good. Leaves. Very nice. So for this frog to survive, it needs air, water, food, shelter like flies, leaves, maybe some rocks, right? All right, so that would make this a terrarium. If we put all of those things in this box, it would be a terrarium. Who can read the definition of terrarium? How about Nam? Nam, could you read this definition for terrarium?
Terrarium, a model of animal environment with plant, animal, and non-living things that help living things survive.
Very good job, Nam. Excellent work. So terrarium is a model, like a smaller version of an environment with plants, animals, and non-living things that help a living thing survive, like the plants, the insects and bugs and flies, and the air, rocks, and water that helped the frogs survive. Here are some different terrariums. This is a forest ant terrarium. This is a desert snake terrarium. This is a rainforest frog terrarium. What are the living things in the desert snake terrarium? Rio, what's a living thing in the desert snake terrarium?
Hey,
A snake, very good. The snake is living. What else? Pasta?
it's the trees.
Yeah, the plants, the cactus. What's some of the non-living things in the terrarium? What's not alive? Taylor?
Some rock and some dead trees.
Yeah, rocks, dead trees, sand. So we can have terrariums for different habitats, the forest, the desert, the rainforest. Here's some water terrariums, which I guess actually could be called aquariums. Not terrariums, aquariums. We have the ocean aquarium, the lake aquarium, the pond aquarium. All right, we'll watch the video. Actually, we'll watch the video after, or I'll send it in the email, okay? It's just an example of a terrarium. So, how to make a terrarium? How to make a terrarium? Step 1 is choose your environment. The rainforest, the prairie, ocean, tundra, grassland, desert, forest, lake. So step 1, choose your environment. Okay? Step 2, find your materials. What materials might you need to make a terrarium? Ray, what materials might you need? Ray, what materials might you need to make a terrarium? Any ideas, Ray? Ray, what materials might you need?
I don't know.
Materials are things like, are things, rocks, sand, sun, desk, table, glue. What materials would you need to put in your terrarium?
I'm not sure.
That's okay. How about banana? What materials would you put in your terrarium? What would you need to make one?
I don't know.
Okay, that's all right. I think I saw George. George, what materials would you need?
Fish tank.
Yeah, so maybe some sort of tank or box. That's a great start. That's the first thing we need. Puppy,
What?
what materials would we need, Puppy?
Glue.
Glue, good. We might need some glue. Who else has something? Blue Moon? Blue Moon?
Rock.
Rocks, excellent. Excellent.
Rocks.
Rocks rock. Milk, what other materials?
Water.
Water, excellent job. Excellent job. Water. Taylor?
Sand.
Sand, we might need sand. Excellent. What if you're doing the desert or the ocean? You definitely need sand. Sino? That's okay, keep thinking. Oh, wait, I saw your mouth move. He said animals. Yes, we do need some animals. Blue Moon?
Seaweed.
Seaweed, yeah. Great job. Susu?
Wood.
Yeah, excellent. We might need some wood for their shelter. Pasta?
Some water.
We have water right here. Do you have another one? It's okay, keep thinking about it, okay? Moon.
A tree.
Trees. Excellent. Well, can we fit a tree in a box? That might be too big. Can you think of a different kind of plant, Moon? Starts with a G. And a what?
Apple tree.
Maybe let's just say an apple for the animals to eat. A tree's too big. Okay, how about Zook?
But can you let me do the homework now?
Yes. Zook, I will help you do your homework after class, okay? Anyone else? Pasta?
A little plant.
A little plant, good. And Susu? Susu, did you have anything else?
Glass.
Say it again.
Glass.
Plants. Let's say maybe some grass. All right, guys, that's a really good start. So, some of the most important ones that I thought of would be a box to put it in, some rocks, some soil, some small plants. Very good job. Step 3. Step 3 is to make it. Now you have to make the terrarium. Put the soil in, put the plants in, put in the animals, the water. And step 4, be ready to talk about it. So you guys will be making terrariums and you need to be able to talk about it. So 1, write down any new science words you learned. 2, make sure you know what living things you used, what non-living things you used. What do plants need to grow? What do animals need to survive? Animals, plants. So after you make your terrarium, make sure you know the plants and animals you used and how they're important to its environment. So your homework is to build a terrarium, any environment you want, using materials in or near your house. So box, soil, rocks, plants, plastic bottles. And we're gonna take the entire class on Monday for you guys to share them, for you to tell the class about your terrarium, about your environment, its plants, okay? So you can make any environment you want, and the animals don't have to be real. So if you make a desert environment, you could draw or use clay or anything you want to make a little snake or a little desert hare or a Gila monster. Okay, so you can use real plants, you could use bugs and make an ant terrarium, or you could use fake animals and make them. Okay, so it's really up to you. So remember, step 1, choose your environment. Step 2, find your materials, like all the ones we said. Step 3, make it. And step 4, be ready to talk about it and tell the class about everything in your terrarium. The directions will be sent in the email to your parents. So you'll have all the directions, okay? You don't have to remember everything.